Hi, I'm Ray, one of Bosch's product experts, and this is the Unlimited 9 cordless vacuum cleaner. This model is all about performance, and it's packed with technology to give your carpets a thorough clean. It's also super low maintenance and extremely stylish in a sleek black finish. It features MicroClean Technology, which uses sensors to not only pick up dust, but also remove microscopic particles which are invisible to the naked eye. Once all the particles are removed, the blue MicroClean ring on the front will illuminate, letting you know that your floors are not just clean, but micro-clean. You'll find more features built in to enhance this model's cleaning performance, including the MicroClean brush in the floor head. It vacuums on both forward and backward strokes, which helps it pick up coarse dirt and fine dust trapped in the fibres of your carpets, upholstery, and the crevices of your hard floors, parquet, or tiles. It's also equipped with an extra large diameter bristle roller for 3 times less hair tangling. There are 2 batteries included, which have up to 60 minutes of runtime each from a single charge, giving you a total of up to 120 minutes of cleaning time. This means you'll be able to vacuum up to 160 square meters in one go for a thorough clean throughout your home. Plus, thanks to our powerful all-battery system, you can interchange the battery across a number of other appliances. There's a quick charger included, which is twice as fast at charging. This gives you less downtime between cleaning and even more flexibility as you can charge one battery while using the other. If you're an allergy sufferer, the HEPA Filtration System filters up to 99.9% of dust particles and prevents them from being released back into the room. It uses a combination of filters, sealings, and a silicone system to ensure the exhaust air is even cleaner than the air in your home. You'll love the dust compression slider. It doubles the bin's capacity by compressing the collected dirt and dust, cutting the number of times you need to empty it by half, and making the job easier and more hygienic. Finally, the LED display is both intuitive and helpful, giving you plenty of feedback, including the remaining runtime, charging status, cleaning mode, and the floor surface type, ensuring you have complete control. If you want a vacuum cleaner that will give your carpets and floors the most thorough clean possible, look no further than this Unlimited 9 cordless model.